Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm Danny and this is Project Fern. The Seicento is finally back from being welded up, so let's get it dug out, up on the ramps and show you what's been done. I've noticed there's quite a big dent here and I've not seen that before. I'm hoping it's not from the heat of the welding, which I doubt. I think something's fell on that, so we'll have to get the dent man to sort that. But it's up on a ramp. Let's get underneath and have a look what's been done. So first of all, we've had all this section redone and he's made these sections here for the bumper to connect to. I just need to clean the rest of this up now and get some under seal on it. There's a bit missing there where it should have been under sealed, but we're not bothered about that, we can do that ourselves. Where I take it there's been an axle stand. Same on this side here, I hope you can still hear me. He's put another bit of box section in and under sealed all underneath. All the sills are now spot on again, so really happy with them. Same on this side. Took all the fuel tank off. I should have given the bung to fix the fuel tank leak while he was under here, but I forgot, we're rushing. But everything's been done underneath here now, and I'll show you under the arches. Up in the corner of the passenger arch here has been all welded up and under sealed. All underneath the car has as well. It's looking mint, it's rock solid. Let's just get under the other side. And you can see underneath there, no more holes. This car is going to go straight through its MOT now. We've just got a few jobs to do. I think it's brake pipes on the front, maybe one on the back. Got headlight issues. And I think the other thing was, oh yeah, the fuel tank leak. But I think what we're going to do is we're going to get this car, all the bits done, get it through its MOT, and then get it built back up. So that's just a quick update video on the Fiat Seicento today. We've had both side sills under the rear arches and the bumper brackets remade. We've had it all cleaned back, under sealed. I'm going to buy some arch liners for the rear as well. Next jobs are them bits that I just explained, so please subscribe, stick around for the next video, and I'll see you then.